Hello, this is how we jive for mass communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open a new eBay account via your desktop PC. You can do this by your phone too. Process would be identical, could be little bit different in interface. Okay, for this you can go to any browser, Internet Explorer, Firefox or Google Chrome. I'm going to Google Chrome. Here I type eBay. Hit enter. The first option will appear, eBay. Hit this one. Here at the top you see sign in and register option. Let me zoom my screen so you can see a little bit better. Okay, you see two options at the top, sign in or register. You already have account, go to sign in. If you are not having any account, that's why you are here. Hit register button. You have to put here your first name, then last name, then email address and password. I'm gonna put my first name, last name and email address that I want to use here, for example. You can also create an account by continue with your Google account, with your Facebook account, also with your Apple ID. So whatever option you decide, if you are in MacBook, you can do with your Apple ID or Google account or Facebook. I'm gonna do by my live account, that is Hotmail. I hit create account. It's very simple. My account is done. Your name should appear here at the corner, and after that you can use as you like. Okay, search whatever you want to buy, put iMac. Here we go, you see here. So it's very simple making one eBay account. Okay, when you're buying something, you have to put your postal address properly and you have to add your credit card and other information. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.